Hi, I'm gonna talk a little bit about social identity theory. Henry Toshfeld, he was the person behind social identity theory. He was a social psychiatrist. So pretty much what it is, pretty much it's about a person's sense of who they are as based on their group membership. His views on the theory, pretty much he talked about the in group discriminating against the out group to sharpen their selves. Pretty much what that means is making the in group want to make their self look better, so they are the us, so they want to make themselves look like angels, and then the out group pretty much want to make themselves look, pretty much the out group is looking bad, they're like the devils. Toshfile, he broke it up into 3 major points. Those points were categorization, labeling something with a certain name. It could be, I guess that person labels this certain group, like the cheerleading team or the basketball team. Then the next group, the next thing that he talked about was identification. Pretty much what we do with identification, we associate ourselves with a certain group, and that certain group that we associate ourselves with on our self-esteem level, pretty much. Then the next group was comparison. So pretty much you compare yourself with the group and figure out which group is best for you. So pretty much this is a chart explaining identity theory. It starts with personal identification, then it breaks it down into those 3 major points that Tahari talked about. Then after that it goes into the in and the out groups, and then are you satisfied with your identity or you're not. Here's my reference, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video.